Hello everyone. You would like to upskill yourself to Microsoft Fabric? Yes, one of the recent and I must say much awaited happening from Microsoft towards AI, artificial intelligence, paired with data engineering and big data analytics. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School, assuring you complete practice orientation right from the scratch in our Microsoft Fabric training program, which is actually an all-in-one analytic solution. We assure you complete practical oriented approach with real-time examples, real-time end-to-end implementation concept. Back to our actual game word, what is Microsoft Fabric? Yes, it is a combination of data engineering, Microsoft Power BI, and AI, artificial intelligence components. Why Microsoft Fabric? Why to go for it? Yes, Microsoft Fabric is bringing us together the experiences from data engineering, data factory, data science, warehouse, Synapse analytics, real-time IoT and event hub analytics, and Power BI into a common single platform, a SaaS platform, software as a service. With Microsoft Fabric, the workspace that Microsoft is giving us from this Fabric resource in Azure, yes, we can happily integrate storage, ETL, analytics together in a single plate, on a single plate. You simply say the Microsoft Fabric is like a BI platform, a BI suite towards data science, engineering, warehousing, and AI activities. Useful for developers, architects, engineers, data scientists, anyone, everyone dealing with data for years. Microsoft Fabric would be one of our next preferred move to upskill ourselves and to implement them at our job desk. Here in Microsoft Fabric, we'll be understanding something called one lake. What is it? One lake. This one lake is a beautiful combination of traditional storage account from Azure plus data lake storage, Synapse SQL pool, Spark databases, and few other storage components working together at the architecture level. So our learning path, yes, we need to have Azure data engineering first, the skill set, Power BI next, and then step into Microsoft Fabric activities. This would be the practical learning plan, step by step. Yes, interested? Then here it is for us, the learning path. Though Microsoft Fabric is still in a preview version, Microsoft did a lot of work already. Though they say preview, we can clearly see most of the components are really getting matured. They are working fine as expected. Really awesome component. Step into Microsoft SQL Server TSQL first. Then into data engineer next. Power BI third. Finally into Microsoft Fabric. At our school, I would be the caretaker, I would be the trainer for this beautiful set of 4 different steps and completely practical, no PPTs, no slideshows. I mean it. 100% practical, scenario based, end to end implementations. 99%, no, 100% of our participants are working employees. A starter, a fresher will also feel, yes, they are doing something good and they are going to rock at their job work. Pretty sure. At the same time, it's very, very useful for working professionals. I assure you, complete practice orientation right from the scratch. And on the screen, what exactly we are going to learn in our classes? The Azure data engineer components and their derivations on the right. Power BI components and their derivations on the right towards Microsoft Fabric. Here we'll be understanding integrations, communication, analytics with Power BI, analytics with data engineer, adding value to your Azure skill set, adding value to your analytics skill set, prefer to go for Microsoft Fabric. At SQL School, we assure you complete practice oriented lectures, completely practice orientation. And myself, Saif and Indra, I would be the caretaker for all these courses you see on the screen. With this information, yes, you can reach us for doubts, clarifications. Glad to assist you. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. And yes, you may reach us for further clarifications or questions. Happy to proceed from there. Thank you so much. See you soon. Wish you all the very, very best for our future endeavors. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.